Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this lovely weather. It's raining from the morning. We're trying to do this YouTube video for quite a while now, but today we have the Cupra Formentor ABT edition. This is one of the Cupra cars that I always wanted to put my hands on, and let me show you. So this is the normal Cupra Formentor. Because it's in collaboration with the ABT, they added an extra 60 horsepower. They added these 20-inch rims, these massive Brembo brakes, and if you look at the details, even on the valve cap, they put the ABT logo, which is quite cool, honestly. But the magic they added is in the back of the car. Let me show you. You also have the ABT logo here on the back, which is in black, like the whole car, which honestly looks nice. And then you have 4 Akrapovic exhaust. And let me show you how they sound when they turn it on. I'll just put the microphone here so you can hear it, because if I take it inside, just listen to this sound. So nice. Okay, so apart from that, I think they lowered the car with a few centimeters. By the way, this is only 120 made for UK, so once they're gone, they're gone. Okay, let's go inside. Inside, they also added the ABT logo on the start-stop button, which looks quite nice. You have bucket seats, copper stitches, and you don't see this too often, but you have carbon fiber in the back. So if you're a passenger in the back, make sure you have the seatbelt on, because if you hit this one, I feel sorry for you. Wheels are massive and massively dirty. But yeah, this is the Cupra Formentor ABT. It looks absolutely stunning. I have this car for 2 months. And it's already 1 month since I started driving it, and I fall in love with this car. It's such a beast, honestly. I wish I can keep it for longer, but the car needs to go to different people as well, so they can enjoy it as well. Anyway, now we're going to drive around the car a bit and talk a bit more about the driving experience. And he is gonna see for the first time how the power of the car, actually. He already saw how the car drives, but the power of the car. Okay, we're gonna switch to Cupra mode, because no one is interested in seeing the car in normal mode. At 370 horsepower, you feel them. You actually feel them. But I need to find a way to get out of this village. And the brakes are on point this way. you're recording there.
Anything. The sound of this car is beautiful.
It's so good. It sounds nice. Is anywhere we can? Should I go left or right? Left, right, left, right, left, right.
Right. The problem is that you cannot hold a camera handheld when you're driving like this. It's nearly impossible.
I'm going in the speed limit.
Yeah.
It's just twisted roads, but the speed limit. Oh, now we're going back to.
The thing is, you can feel how the car like shoves you in the seat
I swear.
when it accelerates.
The bucket seats helps so much. The car has got one problem, and that is a drinking problem. It's a petrolholic. But now for 370 horsepower, 360 something, 370, it's not bad. It doesn't drink that much.
It still does though. It's also like depends on the driver and the way they accelerate.
Yeah. If you drive normal, you won't drink.
Like it does now.
Like it does now, yeah. If you drive like a cuckoo, then yeah, you won't drink a lot. Because now when we start, it showed me 225 miles. Now I have 205 miles left. 3 minutes.
The thing is, the Osmo in front is holding.
It's holding quite strong.
Yeah, holding quite strong. I'm surprised. I'm not sure about the GoPro in the back, but we might see it on the way back.
If you see something black on the street, it's a GoPro.
We're going back the way we came, so it would be my GoPro sacrificed. But that's the thing with Cupra Moto, it goes fast, but
It drinks. Any car. Any car that goes fast drinks petrol. The same with humans. If you run every day, you need energy, you need food.
if you don't run like Andre, you're fine.
Yeah, you're fine. You survive with less. You're in eco mode.
You have adaptive suspension.
Yeah, you have adaptive suspension on the car.
Which means?
And you can adapt it if you want comfort or sport or in Cupra mode. But now that the car is in Cupra mode, the suspension is very, very rigid, stiff, and you feel every bump. But if you go to, you have different modes, different driving modes. You have comfort, you have sport, you have Cupra mode, and you have off-road, and you have individual. And individual, you can configure it the way you want, and you can like have the engine in sport mode.
Is that the GoPro?
No,
It wasn't.
you can put the sound to be like Cupra sound, so it opens the valves. Then you can have the engine as itself. It can be like I said, in sport or in Cupra. You can have the suspension in comfort mode, and then the engine in Cupra mode.
But how does it change the suspension?
I mean,
You should know that.
Yeah, I should know that. But unfortunately, I'm not a technician. I'm not very technical with the cars. I just like to drive them, take nice pictures of them. But in terms of technique,
Let's talk a bit more about the interior. What's your favorite part of it and your least favorite part of it?
my favorite part is the digital cockpit, and you can change the display. So if you look here, can you see? can change it, you can configure it the way you want. You can have the whole map there or just the speed, which I love that. The only thing that I absolutely hate about this car is when you switch off, if you listen, let's say you listen to music loud, yeah, and then you stop the car, the whole steering wheel goes off, so you cannot adjust the volume from the steering wheel anymore. You need to do it from the screen, which is quite annoying. But that is only a small thing, what I don't like.
You can tell them they can change.
Yeah, true. Another thing that I don't like is the start-up feature. If you are in comfort mode and then every time when you stop the car, it switches off the engine. But it's like it should have kind of like a delay, or if the wheels are twisted or something to keep the engine on, because that means you want to turn left or right or whatever. Well, it just switches
but that's
off the
also,
engine.
to save the planet.
Yeah, that's to save the planet, but I'm not in that mood. Sorry to say that, but I don't think that will save the planet.
Saving the planet is important,
Yeah, I know, isn't it?
especially with a sports car. Oh, brother, look! It's a Formentor.
Yeah, it's a normal. Yeah. The bucket seats, I must say, they're nice. If you are a skinny person, they
Which unfortunately we are not.
which unfortunately none of us is very skinny, but they're still comfortable. And when you drive like crazy, when you drive a bit faster, let's say, not like crazy, it helps, it holds you in one place.
They've done a good job, especially with this addition. So if the camera flies out of the window, it's not my fault, it's his fault. Just so you know.
It does feel good.
Unfortunately, not in these kind of roads, though.
I mean, this is all we have.
Andre loves the exhaust, loves the noise of it. Tries it every 5 seconds.
I do. I actually do love it. Okay, let's stop somewhere. And there's a car coming. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Whoa, that was fucking close. Whoa. When I turned my head, I just saw a van. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope Yeti enjoyed filming it. I did.
Even though it was not that comfortable, but
It was raining a lot.
it's good though.
But-
also the rain impacts it for good sometimes. You don't always need
For-
sunny days to shoot the video.
For,
Especially if you're wearing white.
for 10 minutes video of us driving the car, it disappeared about 35 miles on the range, which is okay. Let's say okay.
It's worth it.
Yeah, I think I need to get, from Cupra, I think I need to get a car and a petrol card.
Yeah.
Cupra, I need a petrol card.
Or just a container, you know.
Yeah,
Just hook it behind the car because this one has a lot of power, so you can pull it easily.
that would be lovely. Okay, guys,
See you in the next one.
see you in the next one. Bye.